Huh? Kiki, who is this?
Come on, let's check it out.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet, activate!
An agile body with a long tail. A short and small head with a crest. Sharp and long claws. It runs fast with thin and long legs. Oviraptor. Oviraptor is an omnivorous dinosaur that existed during the late Cretaceous period. It resembles an ostrich in figure and can run very fast.
Huh? Oviraptor? Ah, got it! It must have stolen eggs of other dinosaurs!
Has Oviraptor really stolen the egg? Let's check out whose egg this is. Tap and see what the baby dinosaur inside the egg looks like. Look! It turns out to be a little Oviraptor.
Huh? Oh! These turn out to be Mommy Oviraptor's eggs!
Oviraptor does not steal eggs, and it protects its own eggs instead. It was misunderstood by scientists who gave it such name.
Sorry, Oviraptor. I also must have misunderstood you.
Look! Oviraptor is taking care of its Oviraptor eggs. It is preparing food for baby Oviraptors that are about to be born.
Wow! There is so much to eat!
Oviraptor is not a picky eater. Leaves, fruits, and big shells. All of these are baby Oviraptor's favorite food.
What? The big shells are so hard! How can we open them?
Let's check it out.
Hey, got it!
Kids, have you noticed how Oviraptor cracks open the shells? A. Use its beak to pierce through shells. B. Use its claws to pry open shells. C. Use a stone to break open shells.
Wow! That's right! You are right!
Oviraptor has 2 sharp horns on its beak. They are extremely hard. They can pierce through shells easily. The food is ready. Baby Oviraptors are about to be born.
Wow!
Let's go and see how Mommy Oviraptor takes care of its Oviraptor eggs. Lots of leaves are needed for hatching dinosaur eggs. Let's look for some leaves. Cover the dinosaur eggs with leaves. The leaves are rotten and much heat is generated. Let's collect the heat and help dinosaur eggs hatched. turn! Baby oviraptors are not picky eaters. Leaves, shells, and fruits are all their favorite food. Let's feed them! Quacky, what have you learned about Oviraptor? Oh, Oviraptor does not steal eggs. Oviraptor is an omnivorous dinosaur. Mommy Oviraptor uses leaves for hatching eggs. That's great! Quacky is so clever. Hey! Next, let's fix the dinosaur model. Kids, have you got it? Oviraptor. Let's try to find Oviraptor. 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 Let's check out what animal this is. Oviraptor. Oviraptor likes to steal eggs. Is this correct? Oviraptor does not steal eggs, and it protects its own Oviraptor eggs instead. Oviraptor has a strong beak. Is that correct? Oviraptor has an extremely strong beak that can pierce through shells. Oviraptor likes to eat leaves instead of shells and fruits. Is that correct? Oviraptor is an omnivorous dinosaur. It loves not only leaves, but also fruits and shells.